Hello everyone. Today we'll derive the Rydberg formula for hydrogen atom spectrum. Okay, so we'll all familiar with this equation, uh, and now we'll solve. This topic is very crucial for chemistry also and physics also. Like, let's go. So we know that the h nu, that is the hv, is equal, that is the Planck constant and frequency. Okay, which is equal to the energy initial minus energy final. And what is here is the E is nothing, just from the previous equation we had already know. This is En. Okay, this is En. En is equal to what? Let's see. Okay, En equal to minus me4 power 4 divided by 8h square, absolute not square, and n square. So if we'll take the initial term, it become the In, and if we'll take the final term, it become If. Okay, so there's nothing more about. Now put the value here. Okay, so hv equal to m square m e power 4 divided by h square, absolute not square. And here is like due to the minus sign, this will change. Okay, so 1 by nf minus 1 by ni. Okay, here you can also write the n2 square. Okay, if you take here is a 1, that is a 1 and 1 square. Here we'll take the 2, and this is n2 square. So I'm taking his final. Okay, and f is square minus n and initial. Okay, you can as usual you can take it. We know the speed of light is equal to v, which is the frequency lambda. So here the frequency is equal to c by lambda. Okay, so put v here. Now c by lambda is equal to m e4 8 absolute not square h square, and so, and here is like 1 by nf square minus 1 by n square. Okay, so put like cross multiply this only. Okay, so 1 by lambda is equal to m e power 4 8 h is absolute square h square divided by c also. So nf square minus 1 by n square h. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now 1 by lambda is equal to r 1 by nf square. How it's come, I will tell you. Okay, so this is the main equation. So what is r? R is this constant number, and while putting all the constant value, like you know the m equal to is the mass of electron, charge of electron, absolute value, Planck constant value, speed of light, you know all these constant term. You will put the constant term, you will get r. This is nothing, just this is the r. Okay, this is the r, this is nothing, just this is a r. Okay, which is the Rydberg constant. Okay, here r is the Rydberg constant, which is equal to the r is equal to the 1.07 into 10 to the power 7 per minute. Okay, this is the value of the Rydberg constant, and this is the formula we'll get. Thank you.